2014 Jeep Wrangler. Few vehicles are better off-road than a Jeep Wrangler. This is the one that started it all. Traceable to the original Jeep, the Wrangler is the very symbol of off-road capability. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, one owner, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, compass, electronic stability control, CD player, fog lights, trip computer, brake assist, tachometer, Uconnect hands-free group, driver vanity mirror, front bucket seats, tilt steering wheel, passenger vanity mirror, convertible soft top, speed control. Come see the car for yourself.